Life is characterized by several key features: growth, reproduction, response to stimuli, and metabolism. At its core, life is driven by complex biochemical processes that occur within cells, the basic units of life. These processes require energy, which is where adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, comes into play. Energy is essential for all living organisms. It powers everything from the smallest cellular functions to the largest bodily movements. In biological systems, energy is primarily stored and transferred in the form of chemical bonds within molecules. Without energy, life as we know it would not be possible. ATP is often referred to as the energy currency of the cell. This molecule is critical for storing and transferring energy within cells. ATP allows cells to perform various functions that are essential for life, making it indispensable for the maintenance, growth, and reproduction of cells. ATP consists of three main components: adenine, a nitrogenous base; ribose, a 5-carbon sugar; and 3 phosphate groups attached in a linear sequence. The high energy bonds between the phosphate groups, particularly the bond between the second and third phosphate, are what make ATP so valuable for energy transfer. ATP is synthesized through various metabolic pathways. Cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria of eukaryotic cells and involves 3 main stages: glycolysis, the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate, producing a small amount of ATP; the citric acid cycle, which produces electron carriers that store energy; and oxidative phosphorylation, which uses energy from electrons to produce the majority of ATP. In plants, ATP is produced in the chloroplast during the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis, using energy from sunlight. Cells use ATP for various functions. Mechanically, ATP powers muscle contraction and cell movement. In terms of transport, ATP is used to pump ions and molecules across cell membranes. Chemically, ATP is essential for synthesizing complex molecules like proteins and nucleic acids. These diverse functions highlight the versatility and importance of ATP in cellular processes. The ATP cycle is a continuous process of ATP being converted to adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, an inorganic phosphate, releasing energy. This energy is then used for cellular activities. ATP is regenerated from ADP and inorganic phosphate using energy from food or sunlight, ensuring a constant supply of this vital molecule. Without ATP, cells would not have a direct way to transfer energy efficiently. The universal nature of ATP in all living organisms highlights its critical role in sustaining life. Understanding ATP and its role in energy transfer provides insight into the very essence of life.